YouTube, what's good? It's Coding Cash. I'm Don, and I'm here with another video. Last videos, we were doing back tests, and now we're going to learn another segment of algo trading. But before we get into it, let's start with the prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, I'd like to first thank you for today. Whether something good happened or something bad, I give you my gratitude. I ask of you in this prayer to give me the strength and discipline to attack this moment of work with effectiveness and efficiency towards my goals. Amen. Honestly, I felt that prayer today for sure. All right, let's get straight to it. Let's start my tracker. 2 hour work session. This video might be shorter, but it's a 2 hour work session for me to hold me accountable. So while y'all was gone, I came in with the gameplay. I was like, okay, let me talk to my boy ChatGPT, because over my research, I read that I have to learn Pandas if I'm going to algo trade. Pandas is like a must when it comes to algo trade, just because a lot of things stem from it. A lot of strategies stem from it. So that's one of the steps I have to learn when it comes to algo trading. So I was just like, okay, what's the most effective way to learn Pandas but still keep me on track when it comes to algo trading? So I was just like, boom. I don't even need to worry about it. I don't even need to think this hard for real. Let me just ask ChatGPT. So that's what I did. I asked ChatGPT this. And mind you, I'm showing you this just so you can learn alongside me. If you have something that you want to learn, ask ChatGPT. Of course, let me know. Let me know what you do so I can get some ideas as well. So boom, first I asked, how long will it take for me to learn the Pandas library? Since you're a computer science major, I don't know why I said major. I'm a software engineer, I graduated college. You already have a solid foundation in programming, which will make learning Pandas much quicker. The time it takes depends on your familiarity with Python and data manipulation, but here's a rough breakdown. Estimated learning timeline for Pandas: 1 to 2 days, learn the basics, loading data, inspecting data frames, basic operations. 1 week, get comfortable with data manipulation, filtering, sorting, grouping, merging. 2 and 4 weeks, master advanced features, multi-indexing, pivot tables, time series, performance optimization. Become proficient handling real-world data sets, debugging, writing, efficient code. Best learning approach: 1 to 3 days, follow a crash course, YouTube tutorials, Panda official guide. That's the route I'm going to take. Day 4 to 7, work with real data sets, Kaggle data sets, small projects. Week 2 to 4, apply Pandas in a personal or school project, integrate it into your money logs project. That's something else. Beyond, learn optimizing techniques and work on large data sets. If you practice daily, you should be pretty good in Pandas in 2 to 4 weeks. Would you like some specific beginner friendly resources? 2 to 4 weeks, I like that. I'm not mad at that. And I asked ChatGPT, I was like, can you give me a plan to help me learn Pandas that also helps me get better in algo trading? Just because I don't like to do different stuff. I like to do my stuff that makes sense. You always gotta do stuff that makes sense, just because it's going to take you off track in the journey. You know what I'm saying? And let me know if y'all like not seeing his face. So let me know if I miss his face or if I don't miss his face. I tried doing this way to try different things. If you feel like this way is more effective, if you feel like you like seeing the whole screen, I'll switch over to this way for sure. I'm not mad about it at all. All right, let's get back to this. I'll create a structured 4-week learning plan that combines both. This plan ensures you're not just learning Pandas in isolation, but applying it directly to trading related data sets. He gave me all this jazz, and I was just like, mind you, sometimes you won't be able to click the links, so I asked ChatGPT, can you make it clickable? I was like, okay, hopefully it makes it clickable. So if that didn't work, so I was just like, all right, just give me them in URL form. So that's what I did. So when it comes to this, Control C plus Control V, enter. There you go. You got exactly what they're giving us, so nothing's missed out. Perfect. I'm not going to do this. Actually, let me keep everything structured. Make sure whenever you learn, the places that you put stuff matters. You can't just put stuff randomly in different places. You have to make sure you can come back to it at any time. So, and this. Thanks. The reason why I'm showing you this is so you can do the exact same thing. I want y'all to be fully prepared and as well as just learn something new that's besides algo trading. Because this is going to help you become a better student, better learner, better anything. Just make you appreciate your computer a little bit more than you already do. You might think that computer is confusing and all that, but it really isn't. It's very simple. It's just what you make of it. It's like being good at sports. If you are terrible at practice, you're not going to do good at performance. But if you're really good at practice and you try your hardest, it's going to be like, boom. When it comes to the actual performance aspect, it's going to be more fun. It's going to be a show compared to something that you just don't want to do. Why do you think in the Olympics, when it comes to, let's look up random something random. Prime example, woman 4x4 Olympics. Olympic team. You see when you look at, like, they got their hair done, makeup done, they got nails done. Do you see this? They got their nails done. She wearing a ring and all that. To her, this ain't nothing new. This is something regular. You know what I'm saying? This is regular stuff. They came dolled up just because they know they gonna be on TV. I can promise you something. Their practices are way harder than the actual performance aspect. And they do great. They getting medals off the butt. Come on now. This is how you should be when it comes to grinding, when it comes to working hard. Every single time you work hard, it should be a grind. It should be something that you put your undivided attention to. You shouldn't feel like you're just getting through practice. No, you should feel like you're fully locked into practice. You feel like you should fully engulf yourself. You should feel like every single time you read a sentence, you're learning something. Like that's how you should be when it comes to learning something or anything. And this aspect is algo trading. That's how you should treat it, and that's how you should take it. So let's get straight to it. Now I asked it, I was just like, can you make it into a daily formula, daily action items? Just because I like doing things day by day by day. I have a book that I keep with me all the time that I write in daily to just to make sure if I'm bored or if I just feel like there's nothing to do, I look back in that book and I'm like, okay, I actually do have something to do. In this aspect, it's recording the video. Walk with me. There you go. Like, we all have something to do. This is my something to do. I'm learning as well as giving y'all ways to learn better. Just because I feel like I'm not the best at learning, but me sharing my learning style with y'all and getting y'all's feedback is a way to make me better. So let's get straight to it. Mind you, I'm someone that just grinds. I don't stop. I treat myself as an employee with my own business, Coding Cash. I treat myself as an employee. I clock in and out every single day. I track my hours. Just because I'm learning, I'm not really producing anything yet. I'm learning. So when it comes to learning, you have to track your hours. You gotta make sure that you are fully treating your business as a genuine business. Let's say like it's a corporate thing that you're doing. Like they track your hours. Why can't you track your own hours? You gotta hold yourself accountable, right? So you gotta grind out, you gotta keep going. So obviously I'm probably gonna do like two days or something like that. But let's get straight to it. So first and foremost, let's just copy this whole thing. I just duplicate boom. Now I have a personalized game plan that ChatGPT gave me. My boy ChatGPT gave me this. Easy, for free. I don't do that $20 a month. Like, I like saving my money, you know what I'm saying? So let's call this game plan for a week. Alright, so let's get straight to it. I like to make my stuff look bigger. Okay. So week 1, Pandas, foundations, and market data basics. Objective, understand how to load, inspect, and clean financial data sets using Pandas. Day 1, setup and introduction to Pandas. Install Pandas and Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so that's something I have to do. Okay. It's a web-based interactive computing platform. Notebook, lines, live code, equations, and this software is There's an original web application for creating and sharing. Oh, IBM uses it for sure, absolutely. Start a notebook, so sound good there. Project Jupyter's tools are available for installation via the Python package index, a leading repository of software created for the Python programming language. This page uses instructions with a recommended installation tool for Python. If you require environment management as opposed to just installation, look into Conda. That's what I have. So first and foremost, let's look into details, because at the end of the day, you can't just download anything on the internet. You gotta make sure you know what you're downloading. So the first thing I want to look up, because I'm genuinely curious, is what the difference is between Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook. So it says Jupyter Notebook. They don't want the lab, they want the notebook. From Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook are both interactive computing environments for working with Jupyter Notebooks, but they have key differences in fundamental and functionality and flexibility and user experience. Interface and user experience. Jupyter Notebook provides a simple document-based interface where you can run and edit code in a simple notebook document. A more advanced multi-tab or multi-interactive that allows you to open multiple notebooks, terminals, text files, and other tools in the same workspace. Hold on, that sounds like a lot for me. I ain't gonna lie. If there's one takeaway, less is always better. I don't care who else you're listening to me. Less is always better. Already, Jupyter Notebook looks amazing to me, just because it's simple, document-based interface. Mind you, I'm taking notes in a pre-installed application. You know what I'm saying? I'm not on Google Doc, you know what I'm saying? I'm not on Microsoft Doc. I'm not doing none of that. Regular application. Pre-installed. Given to me for free. That should tell you something. Primary focus on running individual, something like that, notebook files with markdown, code cells, and outputs. Extension and customization. Limited extension support via NB. Okay. Requires manual installation. Native support through a plugin. File code designed mainly for working within a single document. I like that a lot. Which one? If you just need to run notebooks and perform a minimal interface, Jupyter is fine. If you want an IDE like experience with butterfly experiences, because it is flexible and support a large scale. Here, okay. First and foremost, stop it. I said stop it. Got it. As a software engineer. Alright, check. Alright, you think you got jokes? Bro, just reiterated. Just make sure I got you right. But if you want jokes, I can throw some in. Just say the word. Mother say just say the word. Alright, relax. Alright, let's lock in. Alright. Let's get straight to it. So, right, so just because, just to follow along, I'm gonna reinstall pip install pandas, just because it's not really going to do anything. But I want like transparency with y'all when it comes to following along the program, just because it's going to, if I do things out of order, it's going to make things be weird. So it's going to be line by line. So as you see, requirement already satisfied. So we're going to do this one as well. This one I have not done. So I'm the type of person, like I said, I like keeping things organized. So geez. Okay. To write the notebook. See what it looks like. That was quick. Okay. Let me see. Said Control C. Yes. So what happens. So it doesn't delete this. So yeah, okay, cool. So maybe I should check. Learn the data frame. Series features. Okay, so I grabbed 2 links that they gave me, and we're going to tackle those. Honestly, this, if we can break this down, this does seem like it'll be a good series to have when it comes to learning pandas. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna break it down day by day, and that will be a video released to the public on YouTube. It could be a little series, or it could be a little mini series. You feel me? That'd be amazing. Let's do it. So let's get straight to it. Intro to pandas. Okay. First and foremost, how do I write? So long story short, if you have VS Code and you don't need to do this at all, how do I remove my picture installation? Yeah, I don't want all that extraness. Please, yes. 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 Here we go. So, move. But there's a reason behind it. It's because I got VS Code. I don't need to do all this. I don't need to do none of that. Honestly, I just like having things. I just like having things look simple. Do this. I'm not gonna lie, this don't look fun at all. Don't look fun at all. This looks wild. I feel like I'm asleep. So this is the other side of being a coder. is that you're going to see a lot of boring documents. It's documents that you just don't want to look through, but you might have to look through if there's no other alternative. So we're going to do this. So at the end of the day, we got to learn pandas from the ground up, from ground zero. So that requires us to learn from the ground up. So let's look through this. We have created 14 tutorial pages for you to learn more about pandas, starting with the basic introduction and with bringing and plotting data. Okay. Learning by example. In our try it yourself editor, you can use the pandas module and modify the code to see the results. Straight to it. All right. Here we go. So what is Pandas? Pandas is a Python library used for working with datasets. It has functions for analyzing explore. The name Pandas has a reference to both now data and Python data analysis and was created by Wes McKinney in 2008. So thank you, Wes McKinney. Let's see what it looks like. I spelled that right. So it's this guy. He's the one that made Pandas. Wow. Okay. So thank you, Wes McKinney. Back to the scheduled production. Why use Pandas? Pandas allows us to analyze big data and make conclusions based on statistical theories. Pandas can clean messy data sets and make them readable and relevant. Relevant data is very important in data science. Okay, so you basically, buy one, get one free. You get good at arbitrating and you get better at becoming a data scientist if you want to become a data scientist to accommodate the arbitrating. Use Pandas. Okay. Data science is a branch of computer science where we study how to store, use, and analyze data for deriving information from. Okay. What can Pandas do? Pandas gives you answers about the data, like is there a correlation between two or more columns? What is average value, max value, minimum value? Oh, it does that. I don't even know it does that. Pandas are also able to delete rows that are not relevant. Like, or contains wrong values, like empty or null values. This is called cleaning the data. Okay, that's what it's called. Cleaning the data. Okay. Where is Pandas code base? The source code for Pandas is located in GitHub. Code base. Yeah, I'm not looking at that right now. Name Pandas is short for one of the following. Now, that is correct. You feel me? Okay. Pandas can be used to have to come on now. If it ain't free, it ain't me. You dig? Let's repeat that again. If it ain't free, it ain't me. Okay. Got a nice little dashboard. So follow your dreams. Oh, I'm just trying to learn Pandas. I'm gonna get back to where I was. Just trying to learn Pandas, man. Okay. Pandas can be used to remove rows or cells that contain wrong or empty values. Just call it cleaning. I didn't even know they was going to give us quizzes like this. Pandas can be used to find out if there is a correlation between two or more columns. For sure. Next exercise, let's get straight to it. Oh, I'm not there yet. Alright. Okay, installation of Pandas. If you have Python and PIP already installed on your system, then installing Pandas is very easy. Installation is useless. Yeah. That's how we got here. If this command fails, then use the Python distribution that already has Pandas installed, like Anaconda, Spider, etc. Once Pandas is installed, import it into your application by adding the import keyword. They want us to do some. Say that. Okay. Let's do some. Okay. Example one. Example one. Let's do one. So they say import Pandas. Okay. Okay. So now we're creating a data set. How about this? We do 3 sections. That's a good number. 3 sections, and then we look at the document and we go strictly off of what the plan says. So it says learn the data frame and series structures. So data frame. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, I guess we do have to learn more and stuff. Okay. But this is a good place to start, though. This is a great place to start. So now we can get like familiar with what it is. You know what I'm saying? What it actually looks like. Cause I'm very visual learning. I like to see what's going on. So there is data. Data set. My data set comes from this data set that we made. Now print my there. Okay. Like what I did there. Like, it was kind of cool, wasn't it? Okay, so I do this shortcut. Okay, so what I just did, I'm gonna show you again. Let me take it off. Let's take it back on. Take it off. Take it back on. So what I actually did, shortcuts. I like adding shortcuts that I learned. So it's the control key. So open terminal. I don't know why I did it like that. Open terminal and VS Code. So it's going to be control plus. That's it. Okay, so this one. Alright, either way I can have it, right? Yeah, I didn't learn anything from that. So, Python. This is a regular way of writing it. Copy path 12%. So, oh, that's actually nice. Hmm. So it puts these in the single quotation. It puts them at the top. It puts as an x-axis, and the y is the number of cars. So we have W at 0, Volvo at 1, Ford at 2, Passage 370. Pretty cool. Pandas is usually imported under a PD alias. Alias in Python, alias are an alternate name referring to the same thing. Create an alias with the as keyword while importing. So basically going to the top and saying as PD and changing this to PD. Control S. And as you see, if you go back up, it's going to be the exact same thing. Now the Pandas Python can be referred to as PD instead of Pandas. Oh, that's better. I like short, simple. The version string is stored under press PD dot. So it's 2.2.3. Okay. The official Pandas library is imported like this. Easy. What is the correct syntax for checking the version of Pandas library? Easy. I just did that. What is the correct way of importing Pandas as an alias? There's not no there's no right or wrong way of making an alias. Alias is really just what you want to make it. So if you want to make it P, like you pushing P, just make it P. Like, don't conform under all these people's expectations. If you want to make it P, make it P. You know what I'm saying? But in this sense, we're doing PD. Import Python Pandas as E. Oh snap. If we just follow this guide, it pretty much do it for us. Hold on. Oh snap. It's back to back. Okay. So we can just slim the document for deeper interpretation if that's what we want to do. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay. Let's do it. Second example. Series. Panda series is a column. Okay. Panda series is a column in a table. It is a one-dimensional array holding data of n type. Hey, hood, photo, shade. Hey, I like the okay. Create a simple Panda series for a list. Okay, come on. So import. And my var is variable. So they just like doing that for some reason. But do whatever makes sense to you. I'm only doing this because it makes sense to me. But if you want to call it as like my series, you know what I'm saying? You can do that. Just for y'all, I'm gonna do it like this. Okay. So this creates a simple Panda series from a list. Let's see. Okay. So 0. So I guess it's just made yeah. Create a simple Panda series. The series is a column in a table. Labels, okay. If nothing else is specified, the values are labeled with their index number. For value, first value has index 0, second value has index 1, etc. This label can be used to access a specific value. Labels. All right. X numbers. Specific data sets. Oh, it even puts the type of data it is too. That's pretty cool. Okay, so since it's looking for a value in index 0, what would that be? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So this would mean that it's asking for value 1. And there you have it. A computer is going to do what it tells a computer is going to do what you tell it to do. So if it doesn't work, that is your fault, not the computer's fault. Create labels. With index argument, you can name your own labels. Okay. These are index numbers or whatever identifier you want to give it. Okay. I'm gonna put print defaults table, and this is grad specific data. There you go. So the next one we're going to do is this one. I'm gonna do my bar equals series index equals x. So we're giving it a label. Let's see. Okay, so instead of 0, 1, 2, it's going to give it X, Y, Z. When you have created labels, you can access an item by referring to the label. Okay. That's so now it says 7. So it asks for Y. 7 is correlating to Y. So boom, there you have it. Key value objects as series. You can also use a key value object like a dictionary when creating a series. Okay, so key. So they're saying, they're basically referring to key and value as a dictionary layout, as word and definition. You feel me? We locked in here in Coding Cash. You know what I'm saying? Get to the bag. Let's comment this label. Yeah, labels character. Create a simple Pandas series from a dictionary. Okay, so now we're going to calories equals. So as you can tell, since it's going to be a dictionary layout, it's going to have squiggles instead of straights. I like keeping things short just because after a while, when it comes to coding, you want to realize that you just want to see things in one area instead of just having it in multiple areas. Like having to like smooth here, you know what I'm saying? Like even this low key bothers me, but I'm not really tripping like that. It's notes. Okay. Alright. Okay. So as you see, you assigned that you gave the label a name as well as you gave it a value. So I know that's not how you spell it. Simultaneously. If I was in a spelling bee, mind you, I definitely was in a spelling bee before. Didn't do that good. Simultaneously. Okay. The keys of the dictionary becomes labels. To select only some of the items in the dictionary. Use the index argument and specify only the items you want to include in the series. Stuff on the there. Next. So if I only want day 1, day 2. What I did. So now it just gives me a data set with only those two labels and values. Those two key keys and values. Okay. And they're already teasing us with data frames. Okay, I see you. I see you. I hear you. Okay. I'm learning a lot in a short amount of time. That's what happens when you tap in with Coding Cash. We speed up the learning process. Okay. Data sets. Data frame. Okay. So data frames. Datasets and pandas are usually multi-dimensional tables called data frames. Okay. So data frames. Multi-dimensional tables. So to be question. Series is like, man, it's a little chilly. Okay. My fault for the break it. It's kind of chilly in this gym, so I gotta put on my little jacket. I had to put on my little jacket. Okay, so let's get straight to it. Datasets and pandas are usually multi-dimensional tables called data frames. Series is like a column. Data frame is the whole table. Okay. I like what they doing. I'm better than you, right? You feel me? I would put the rap battle what I'm referring to, that I'm better than you rap, but I got posted on YouTube. It's a family friendly channel, okay? But if you want to know what I'm talking about, just look up I'm better than you rap battle. That's it. That's all you really gotta look up. I'm better than you rap battle. I kid you not. Thank me later. My shoes better than yours, my clothes better than yours, my drip better than yours, I walk better than you, I talk better than you, my guns better than yours, my guns better than you. Let me chill out. Let me lock it again. I'll just try to sound better than you. Okay. Import pandas as PD. Okay, now we got data. Galleries. So basically, we did this before. We're just going to do it again. But we did this before. There you go. This just creates the whole table. That's false. It's a column in the table. You feel me? Come on now. Trick question. Ooh. Insert correct Pandas method to create a series. Just series. Hey, I'm better than you. You feel me? You feel me? Insert the correct syntax to return the first value of a Panda series called masters. Just insert the correct syntax to add the labels X, Y, and Z into Pandas. Straight brackets. Ooh. It's curly brackets. I remember talking about this because I said that this is if you want to customize your labels, it has to be squiggly to accommodate that. Let's see if I'm right. Ooh. Ooh. Dang. Hold on. Dang. So I was wrong. Oh, something like this. Okay, 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 okay. We all make mistakes. That's how you know that this is my first time going through this. So this is only when it comes to if you want to create a what's this? If you want to create a key and value format. If you want to do things key and value way, that way. Now, now we getting straight to it. I like this. I really like this. This one. Okay. So what is data frames? Okay. A two-dimensional data structure, like a two-dimensional array or a table with rows and columns. Has rows and columns. Okay. Locate row. You got the loc. As you can see from the result above, the data frame is like a table with rows and columns. Pandas use loc attribute to return one or more specific rows. Got the loc. Okay. Okay. Locate rows. Low. So if you want locate. Okay. So it has cows. Yes. The calories. We try to find a row that has 0. In the index, we had to find a row with a 0. With this, locates row 0. And it contains calories of 420 with a duration of 50. Forms a series. Okay, return 0 and 1. So if you want to do multiple, do you have to do that? Let me see if you have to do that. Okay, so you do have to do that. That's cool. I didn't even know that. So this is a snippet that if you didn't look at this tutorial, you would never know. You have to include a double bracket if you want to find more than one row. When using brackets, the result is a Pandas DataFrame named index. With the index argument, you can name your own index. Okay, let's see what this does. So it should take the 0 and the 1 and replace it with day 1, day 2, and then day 3 from this original data set. Let's see if it works. As you see, it works. Okay, locate named index using the named index in the loc attributes to return the specific rows. Okay, so we're going to do the rows. Prints df day 2. So at day 2, the day 2 bag. Let's see. Loads files into a data frame. Okay. If your data sets are stored in a file, Pandas can load them into a data frame. I already have. How about this? Copy and paste. Example. CSV. CSV value. Control C. Control S. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Read CSV. Let's see if it works. So all I did was I copied and pasted the already given data set that's given right here, and I put it into a .csv file. So all I did was I gave it a name and I put .csv manually. And then what I'm doing now is following this example that's given to me right here, and we're going to try it out. So first we're going to comment out my original code to make sure this is completely fair. Control S. Let's see if it works. Oh snap. Okay. So let's see what works. Sure. Oh, it even organizes it and everything. Okay. It's cool. It's cool beans. True. It's not like a table with rows and columns. It is a table with rows and columns. Insert Pandas method to create data frame. Period. Insert the correct syntax and return the first row. Df dot loc. I didn't even look at that too. That's funny. Okay, read. So it's stuff that we haven't done yet. Okay. So we done DataFrame and we done series. Let's take a deeper dive into what they are. Um, series is a one-dimensional label and has returned. Here, data can be many different things. The dictionary and passing is long story short, we did good. We can look at that later, but uh, did do this. And we did this. So yeah, that's perfect. We cleared out day one. Um, that's amazing. So yeah, if you stuck throughout this whole video, congratulations, you just got smarter. So proud of you. I'm really proud of you. This was also draining for me, probably because I'm a little hungry. But all in all, I'm extremely proud of you. I'm proud of myself because we're walking together. So stay tuned. I'm gonna tackle this tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day until we finished 28 days. So yeah, you too. We'll chat soon. See you tomorrow.